Never attempt to win by force what can be won by deception. Whosoever desires constant success must change his conduct with the times. The first method for estimating the intelligence of a ruler is to look at the men he has around him. It is much safer to be feared than loved because love is preserved by the link of obligation which, owing to the baseness of men, is broken at every opportunity for their advantage. But fear preserves you by a dread of punishment which never fails. Everyone sees what you appear to be. Few experience what you really are. Never was anything great achieved without danger. It is not titles that honor men, but men that honor titles. He who wishes to be obeyed must know how to command. Where the willingness is great, the difficulties cannot be great. There is no other way to guard yourself against flattery than by making men understand that telling you the truth will not offend you. Men are so simple of mind and so much dominated by their immediate needs that a deceitful man will always find plenty who are ready to be deceived. The lion cannot protect himself from traps and the fox cannot defend himself from wolves. One must therefore be a fox to recognize traps and a lion to frighten wolves. The vulgar crowd always is taken by appearances, and the world consists chiefly of the vulgar. I'm not interested in preserving the status quo. I want to overthrow it. If an injury has to be done to a man, it should be so severe that his vengeance need not be feared.